Are you short on time, but you still want to work your core? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now, I have got a Pilates class that is all about the abdominal muscles. This is a fast-paced Pilates class that is really meant to strengthen the center of our body. We'll be doing quite a bit of work on our back and then into our teaser. I hope that you enjoy class. Roll out your mat. Let's get started. We'll begin in a seat. Roll the shoulders back, lift up and out of the waist. Take a big inhale, reach your hands high. Stretch a little longer through your side body. Take a big breath. Flip the palms, drop them down by your sides. Lift out of the waist more, tuck your chin to your chest. Roll your right ear to right shoulder. Bring your chin back down. Roll your left ear to left shoulder. Bring your chin down. Bring your gaze up. Take a moment to wrap the abdominal muscles in a little bit more, lifting up and out of the waist. Full big inhale, big sigh out. Lie on your back. Plant your feet into the floor, imprint your spine. Remember, that means to press the low back down. Wrap the abdominal muscles in. Take your hands over your head for another little stretch. And then place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Our spine should still feel as long and straight as it did when your hands were reaching away. Really plant the feet into the floor, wrap the tummy in, take a big inhale. Exhale, fold from the sternum, curl your head and chest up. Now make sure that we're looking over the horizon of our knees. Anytime we come to this position, this is what I want you to think of. Elbows wide, shoulder blades trying to lift from the floor and looking over the kneecaps, not at the tummy, not at the sky, just that lovely sweet spot over the knees. Take a full big inhale. Exhale, try and pick yourself up just a little higher. Drop the head right back down. Full big breath. Exhale, pick up the right leg. Take another breath. Exhale, pick up the left leg. Keep the elbows wide. Keep your chest open. Tap your right toe to the floor. We're going to do quick little switches of our legs back and forth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Navel in. Left toe down. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together. Again, right leg down, tummy in, elbows wide. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Last time, left leg down, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together, pause, elbows wide, low back touching mat, big inhale, curl head and chest up. Take a great big breath. Exhale, try and lift a little higher. Straighten your right leg away from your body. Take a full big breath. Exhale, pull the leg in. Stretch your left leg away from the body, big inhale. Exhale, pull it in. Reach the right leg away. Exhale, pull. Reach the left leg away. Exhale, pull. Again, slow push. Exhale, bring it in. Push it away. Exhale, bring it in. 2 more. Stretch and lengthen. Last one right. Last one left. Now pause. Elbows wide, lift up a little higher. Take a full big breath. Straighten just your left leg. Full big inhale. Pull your left shoulder to your right knee. Inhale, let that go. Again, twist left shoulder to right knee. Let that go. 3 more big exhale, twist. And return. 2 more big exhale, twist. And return. Last one, big twist. Hold it right there. Take a great big inhale. Now we're going to switch our legs back and forth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull both legs back together. Look center. Take a moment, lift up a little higher. Straighten your right leg. Full big inhale. Exhale, twist left. Bring it back down. Exhale, twist left. Bring it back down. 3 more big twist. And return. 2 more big twist. And return. Last one, big twist. Hold. Take a breath. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Turn to look to the knees again. Take a full big inhale. Set the feet on the floor. Lower the head and chest down. Reach your hands over your head. Find that length in your spine if you've let it go. Take a windshield wiper of your knees, side to side. Bring them back in line with one another. Heel toe them together. This time reach the fingertips straight up to the sky, shoulders down the back, low back touching the mat. Full inhale. Curl head and chest up. Reach your fingertips past your hips. If you need a hand or two behind, you could always take it, but otherwise, inhale, swim your hands higher over your knees. Exhale, push them down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, cinch the waist, push them down. Inhale up. Exhale, cinch the waist, push. 3 more up. Exhale, push. 2 more. Last one. Hold. Flip the palms so they're facing towards your body. Inhale, open them wide. Exhale, cinch the waist, close. Inhale, open them wide. Exhale, cinch the waist, close. 3 more open. Exhale, close. 2 more open. Exhale, close. Last one. Close, pause. Flip the hand palms so they're facing to the ground. Lift them up, lower head and chest back. Reach your hands over your head. Again, heel toe the feet nice and wide. Knock the knees together. Find a simple sway back and forth. Heel toe the feet back towards one another. From here, lift up your right leg. Lift up your left leg. Take your hands away from your body. Plant the palms into the floor. Toes can be pointed, flexed, or soft. I want you to reach your feet straight up to the sky. If there's a bend in the knees, that's okay. Shoulders back, tummy in. Take a great big inhale. As you exhale, drop your feet 3 inches. Hold. Does your tummy want to pooch out? Roll the shoulders back. Take another breath. Exhale, drop them 3 more inches. Hold. Navel in. Exhale, down again. Pull it in. Exhale, down again. 1 more time. Drop them as low as you can. Take a big inhale. Exhale, push them all the way up to the sky. Beautiful. Again, little drop, pause. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Relax. Little drop, pause. Pull the navel in. Little drop, pause. Last one, little down. Take a big inhale. Exhale, lift them all the way up to the sky. Again, down, hold. Down, hold. Down, hold. Last one, exhale, up. 1 more set. Down, hold. You can smile when it gets hard. Down, hold. A little down, hold. Last one, big exhale all the way up. Last time, keep squeezing the inner thighs together, wrapping the abdominal muscles in, keeping your low back touching the mat. Big exhale all the way up. Pull your knees into your chest. Give yourself a little hug, little squeeze. Take a rock and roll on the back of your spine until you come all the way up to a seat. Hands behind the thighs. Roll the shoulders back. Lift the head and chest up higher. Full big inhale. Rock off the sitting bones. Walk the feet together. Cinch the waist. Great big inhale. Exhale, float up the legs. If we can keep them right here, that's great. If you need to set one down, that's okay too. Take your fingertips away if we have that space, if we have the ability. Can you straighten your right leg away from your body? Exhale, pull it in. Straighten your left leg away from your body. Exhale, pull it in. Reach the right leg out and away. Exhale, return. Reach the left leg out and away. Exhale, return. 1 more time, right. Exhale, pull it back. 1 more time, left. Exhale, pull it back, pause. Squeeze your thighs together. Lift your fingertips up a little higher. Flip them, touch the palms together. Take a big inhale. Push them to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, push them to the left. Inhale up. Twist to the right. Inhale up. Twist to the left. Inhale up. Again, down right. Exhale, left. 1 more right. 1 more left. Bring it back to center. Open the palms, flip them so they're down to the ground. If we have it, you're gonna reach your head and toes away. Exhale, pull everything back in. Reach head and toes away. Exhale, pull everything back in. 3 more out. Exhale, return. 2 more out. Exhale, return. Last one. Bring it in, pause. Can you straighten the legs? Take a big inhale and then let that go. Sit up taller and straighter. Both hands lift high. Flip the palms, push them down. Tuck your chin to your chest. Roll your right ear to right shoulder. Bring the chin back down. Roll your left ear to left shoulder. Bring the chin back down. Bring your gaze upright. Both hands lift nice and high for one more big stretch. Hands behind the head, elbows wide, twist right. Look forward, twist left. Look forward, let it go. And as always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. If you want 10 more minutes of some upper body workout, I will link to a perfect video that will continue working you out nice and hard. Thanks so much for joining me. Can't wait to see you again.